To find the daily summary of bookings, attendances, funds received by payment type, funds received by payment location, products sold, and till summaries, head to the Daily Summary Report. This report should only be utilized for daily reporting, not weekly or monthly. You can have this report emailed to you daily at the time of your choice. Just submit a ticket requesting this and our support team will action that for you. To find attendances for a period of time, head to the attendances report and choose your date range. If the same ticket is checked in 3 times, this will be 1 unique redemption and 3 total redemptions. To find the total sales for bookings and tickets sold for a period of time, head to the bookings report. Tickets figure will equal the total guests booked for that period, whether they actually attended or not. The total sales figure will equate to the total cost of the booking and isn't linked to the actual funds received against the booking. Entries for this report will be based on booking date, not transaction date, so these figures will not reconcile with the detailed transactions report or the detailed product sales report. To find a summary of funds received, quantity sold, total sales, and revenue segmented by product for a period of time, head to the detailed product sales report. Funds received figures in this report should reconcile against the funds received in the detailed transactions report and the revenue recognition report. To find a summary of the funds received and gift cards redeemed for a particular period of time, you can utilize the detailed transactions report. This report will have 1 entry for every payment or refund that is processed through the platform at the time this transaction occurs. Funds received figures in this report should reconcile against the revenue report and detailed product sales report. If you need to report on an accrual basis, we highly recommend setting up your reporting categories and GL codes before completing any accounting or financial reporting in Roller. This will help group revenue figures into general ledger codes to match any third-party accounting software you may utilize. Once your reporting categories are set up, you can head to the ledger summary report, which will summarize funds received and net revenue segmented by general ledger code. The trial balance report is also a great summary report that will present the financial data in the form of debits versus credits of funds processed and revenue for a particular period. If you want to dive deeper into the summarized revenue data in both the trial balance report and ledger summary report, then you will need to utilize the revenue recognition report. This report has 3 entry types: a transaction entry when the money is received for a ticket and becomes deferred revenue, a redemption entry or expiration entry when the ticket is either redeemed or expired and the revenue becomes recognized for that ticket. Data in this report will reconcile against what you see in the trial balance report and ledger summary reports.